Silicon Valley is currently designing cancer-fighting antibodies in a matter of weeks, while Barclays Bank cannot even keep its login page online. We are pulling from sources detailing a massive collision between bleeding-edge medical AI and, decaying legacy infrastructure.
Legacy financial code bases date back decades, causing these daily systemic failures.
Our mission for today's deep dive is mapping out how this bizarre technological divide actually operates. Amazon just launched AWS Biodiscovery. Scientists can basically chat with an AI agent using natural language to select biological foundation models, bypassing coding requirements entirely. Designing drugs historically requires immense manual software engineering.
Memorial Sloan Kettering compressed an entire year of pediatric cancer antibody design into mere weeks using this exact platform. They literally generated 300,000 novel antibody molecules and shipped the top 100,000 to Twist Bioscience for physical lab testing.
Wait, 100,000 physical samples?
They sent that massive volume directly to the lab. The underlying mechanism sort of mirrors consumer text generators. Language models predict the next word in a paragraph.
So biological foundation models predict the next amino acid in a protein chain.
A researcher types a plain English command to create an antibody targeting a specific tumor. The AI translates that conversational request directly into molecular code.
That basically creates a lab-in-the-loop experimentation cycle. Ordering custom biological molecules feels like ordering takeout on your phone.
Sustaining this molecular generation requires an obscene amount of raw computing power.
Humanity is curing pediatric cancer at light speed, yet you still get locked out of your online banking because of a random server reset.
The tech sector needs a constant pipeline of fresh hardware and software innovation just to keep the servers from melting. UChicago, Microsoft, NVIDIA, and the AI Research Commons just formed the Third Coast Foundry to address that exact supply chain demand.
Okay, I saw that Foundry announcement.
They're throwing up to $350,000 in Azure credits, preferred hardware access, San Francisco co-working spaces, and early investor introductions at Midwest university startups.
That is a massive amount of resources for early-stage companies.
The goal is keeping this innovation engine running by ensuring academic spin-outs bypass legacy bottlenecks. Capital is flooding the supply chain to ensure these startups receive direct pipelines to the Bay Area venture ecosystem.
Barclays Bank UK is currently down across the entire country, displaying a generic, we're on it, maintenance error.
A literal nationwide outage.
Capital is flooding the supply chain to build the future while our current daily tools crumble today. We possess the computing power to route, 100,000 complex biological candidates to physical labs automatically.
The juxtaposition is staggering.
Trying to view your daily checking balance feels like fighting a rusted vending machine that just ate your only dollar bill.
The contrast highlights. We are seeing a severe fragmentation in resource allocation. Billions flow into accelerating specialized AI models, leaving foundational consumer systems to languish on outdated code bases.
As these Midwest startups use their $350,000 credits to build the next generation of our infrastructure, you have to wonder if they will inherit the flawless, world-altering speed of Amazon Biodiscovery or the inevitable, frustrating downtime of a Barclays login page. Catch you next time.